Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to fix Zoom echo and feedback noise during group calls using the exact background suppression and advanced filtering paths. Audio feedback loops happen when multiple active microphones detect speaker outputs in the same room, triggering a harsh screeching sound that ruins your meeting. First, launch Zoom and click the small gear icon in the bottom left corner to open your settings dashboard. Look at the left side category list menu and click directly on Audio. Locate the configuration section block explicitly labeled Microphone Modes at the top of the dashboard. Click the selection bubble right next to Noise Removal Default to open up your specific suppression options. Click the Suppress Background Noise drop-down menu row directly underneath and change the setting rule from Low to Auto or High to aggressively filter out severe room reverberation. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Active Audio tab panel interface. Click explicitly on the Advanced button to open your secondary system pipeline options. Locate the configuration setting line item explicitly block labeled Echo Cancellation. Click the adjacent drop-down selection rule and ensure echo cancellation is set explicitly to Auto to force the software engine to automatically break live feedback loops. Close out of the settings panel to instantly save the updated parameters into your active profile layout. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.